counter CTR. This CTR has increased or got popularity due to the recent applications such as ATM, that is asynchronous transfer mode, network security, and IPsec. These are the some of the recent applications where we are using counter ciphering techniques. In counter ciphering techniques, we are using some counter here, and this counter size is same as our plain text block size. Here, one important point you have to remember, this counter, for each step here, the counter will be changed. Counter 1 is different from counter 2, counter 2 is different from counter 3. For each block of plain text, we are using different types of counter here. First, we are randomly selecting one counter value. For each block, the counter value is incremented by 1. The counter value is encrypted with the help of key value. Whatever the output you got is XORed with the first plain text block, and it is converted into cipher text block. In second step, we use the second counter, which is incremented of the previous one, and identify the encrypted output with the help of same key, and it is XORed with the second plain text block, and you got the second cipher text. Like that, the process continue up to the last block. In decryption technique also same. We start with the same counter, encrypt it with the same key. You got some output. That output is XORed with the cipher text. It is converted back into the first plain text block. In second stage also we are doing the same thing. The second counter is actually encrypted, and the output is actually XORed with the second cipher text to got the plain text block of second one. Like that process continues. Here this is a very simple counter technique. Counter technique has many advantages. I will explain that one by one.